Hey, it's Neha. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button. Today I am making turkey meatballs with spaghetti. So let's get started. For this recipe, I'm using half a pound of lean ground turkey. Add in 1 teaspoon of dried parsley, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1 tablespoon of chives. Add in some salt and pepper, 2 tablespoons of panko, 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 1 egg, about 4 diced up garlic, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And now you just want to mix everything all up together, and you can either leave it marinated for about 30 minutes, or you can leave it marinated for 24 hours in the fridge. Once it's done marinating, make sure your hands are clean for this. We are diving right in this bowl and making little rounds with the turkey. I made these meatballs bite-sized. You don't want them to be too small or too big, and I got about 19 of them in this recipe. Alright, now let's get our pan on the stove and add in some oil. And once the oil is heated up a little bit, you want to add in your meatballs. And for this, I did put in a little bit of at a time, just so that I can control the heat and the meatballs when it's cooking. I don't want to putting every one of them in the pan right away. Also, if you don't want to fry them in a pan, you can always bake them. You can bake them at 400 Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes in the oven, and they taste just about the same. The only thing, of course, is less oil when you are baking them. So this is what it looks like after it's been all fried up, then cooked, and you want to put this back in on a plate. And using the same pan, I'm adding in the pasta sauce. So for this, I'm using the marinara sauce that I've created before. I do have a link for the recipe if you would like. I can link that up above. And you want to let that cook a little bit and let that tomato sauce just boil a little bit. And I'm adding in some tomatoes and more garlic to this. And again, you guys know this by now. I love garlic, so yes, I did put in some more, other more than the recipe actually says. So with this, again, you want to let the tomato and the garlic just marinate into this marinara sauce, and you can add more veggies if you like to this. Honestly, you can add in some zucchini, some peppers, even some spinach if you like. Honestly, just make it a little bit more healthier. But this is my dish that I made for that day, and it turned out super delicious. Again, let this cook a little bit, let it marinate, and then we'll add in our meatballs. What I like about recipes like this is that you can be super creative and super healthy if you like as well. So I'm adding in my meatballs here, and then I'm adding in some grated cheese as well. And this is it, you guys. This is my recipe on turkey meatballs. If you haven't done so already, hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel. Also, if you do want to check out my Facebook page, I do have the link down below. My Instagram, all of my socials, they're all in the description below. Again, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you liked it, and you guys have a great day. Thank you.